Well, it has finally come. One of the high holy drinking days in America. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. To celebrate this, we needed a green drink of our own. But I couldn't figure out what color green was a good green, so I contacted my lady, and she informed me what it was. Because, you know, she knows things that are green, like grapes and turtles and traffic lights and money. Well, let's make this drink. Martini shaker with ice. 2 shots blue Caraco. 2 shots of a yellow whiskey sour mix. 1.5 cups of orange juice. Give that a good shake. Grab yourself a nice fancy pimp glass. And then give it a dash of Sprite for some fizz. Happy St. Patrick's Day!